In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix HellDivers 2 black screen. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and look over the simple fixes first, and then we're gonna go ahead and look at the complicated ones. So believe it or not, sometimes the black screen clears up after a few minutes, so try waiting patiently without alt-tabbing or clicking around. So the first one is just to wait, okay? The next one is to relaunch or restart. Sometimes a simple relaunch of the game or a restart of your PC can resolve the issue. So, relaunch the game, relaunch or restart. Okay. Now let's go ahead and look over the complicated fixes. So the first one is the config file edit. So I'm just gonna write it here. Config file edit. Okay. So this seems to be the most common fix. Now here's how you can do it. So first of all, you're gonna navigate to the user settings.config file. So it is like this: user underscore config dot no, it's user underscore settings, user underscore settings dot config. So this is the file that we're looking for. Now I'm gonna tell you the path for this right now. Okay, so you can find this in the following path, which I'm going to write here. So it is found in the C user slash username. So whatever your user is. Okay. The next path is app data. Then go to roaming from here. From here, you're going to go ahead to arrowhead. And from here, finally, you're going to choose the option of HellDivers 2. So this is the path that you have to head to. Now once you're on this path, you can open the file with a text editor like Notepad. Then from there, you're gonna find the line full screen and change the true value to false. So there's gonna be a line full screen, okay? And it's gonna be equal to true. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna change that true to false. So it's gonna be full screen equals false, okay? Something like that. And then you're gonna save the file. This will relaunch HellDivers 2 in windowed mode, hopefully bypassing the black screen. Next you could try is by deleting the config file. You can also delete the entire config file, this one right here. This will launch the game with default settings, so you'll need to adjust your graphics preferences again. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.